journeys. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss when I upload a new video. Make sure to follow my Roblox account and join my Roblox group Maddie's Realm. Enjoy the video, honeybees.
Hi honeybees, today I'm going to show you how to get Leah in the FairyMeydia. This is a very easy tutorial, so please watch till the end for the showcasing. So without further ado, let's get right into today's video. First, I need to show you where Leah's chest location is, so follow me, honeybees. Follow me for Leah's chest location. And if you think the badge is underneath the river, then you are wrong because it just gives you XP. Keep on following me for Leah's chest location, honeybees. We need to head inside the cave, and Leah's badge will be in the chest that we find in this cave. Here is Leah's chest, same as always. Open the chest, and if you stand near the chest you should get the Essence of Nature badge. Let's showcase her transformation now. Hope you enjoyed the video, honeybees, and I hope this helped you get Leah's transformation in FairyMeydia. Make sure to like and subscribe if this tutorial was helpful. Bye, honeybees.